Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about adventure? Picture this: a bright, sunny Saturday morning, the kind that makes you feel like anything is possible. Our story begins with a character named Max, a curious young soul with a wild imagination and a knack for getting into trouble. Max woke up that day feeling restless, his heart yearning for something beyond the ordinary. He glanced out the window, watching the clouds drift lazily by, and suddenly an idea struck him like a bolt of lightning. What if I went on a road trip? He thought, his mind racing with excitement. Now, let's pause for a moment and break down that word. Road trip. A road trip is a journey taken by car, often for leisure, where you explore new places, meet interesting people, and create unforgettable memories. Sounds fun, right? So, back to Max. He decided to grab his backpack, fill it with snacks, a map, and his trusty camera, and set off on his unexpected adventure. As he hopped on his bicycle, he felt a rush of freedom. The wind tousled his hair and he pedaled down the street, his heart pounding with anticipation. But here's where the story takes a twist. Instead of following the usual path to the park, Max spotted a narrow, winding road he had never noticed before. It beckoned him like a mysterious portal to the unknown, and before he knew it, he had veered off course. What's the worst that could happen? He chuckled to himself. Now let's talk about winding road. A winding road is one that twists and turns, often leading to unexpected places. In this case, it led Max to a hidden forest filled with towering trees and vibrant flowers. The air was fresh, and the chirping of birds created a symphony of nature. Max felt like he had stumbled into a magical realm. He parked his bike and ventured deeper into the woods, where he discovered a sparkling stream and a group of friendly squirrels. "Wow, this is amazing!" he exclaimed, marveling at the beauty around him. But as he explored, he realized he had wandered far from home. Panic began to set in. What if I can't find my way back? He worried. This is where we encounter the word panic. Panic is a sudden feeling of fear or anxiety that can overwhelm you. Max took a deep breath, remembering that he had a map in his backpack. He pulled it out and studied it carefully. "Okay, Max, you can do this," he reassured himself. Using his sense of direction and the landmarks he had seen, he plotted a course back to the road. After a bit of trial and error, he finally found his way back. But as he emerged from the forest, he realized something important. This unexpected detour had turned into an adventure he would never forget. Max hopped back on his bike, his heart filled with joy and a sense of accomplishment. He had faced his fears, explored the unknown, and learned something new about himself. As he rode home, he couldn't wait to share his story with his friends. And here's where I invite you, dear viewers. Have you ever had an unexpected adventure? Maybe you've discovered something new about yourself or faced a fear head-on. If you enjoyed Max's journey today, why not share your own story in the comments below? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging tales that will help you learn English through stories. Like this video if it inspired you, and share it with your friends so they can join us on this journey of discovery and learning. Let's embark on more adventures together, one story at a time.